Now let's get this thing going. Alright, so first thing we want to do when taking anything electrical off is take out the wire stuff, right? In this case, we're going to be taking off the light bulbs, which is just a turn and pull, turn and pull, turn and pull. I'll show you here in the car in just a sec. So yeah, with these right here, all you got to do is just turn them. Turn them and pull out like that. See, this one's out. There's this one as well right here. Turn and pull. It's out. Turn and pull. Just like that. See? There's more, but then after that you want to go ahead and take the screws off on this. There's 2 of them, I believe, and I think something holding it over here. I'll keep you updated if anything. But let's get this sucker out, you know. Alright, so I had to stop by Advanced Auto Parts real quick to pick up some sockets, because apparently my family does not have working sockets at home. So make sure you have your stuff, alright? Okay, so I took it off, as you can see, right here. We'll snap. Alright, so yeah. The only thing is, I can see these right here, you're going to have to unplug them from the old one to move them to the new one. To take these out, because you're gonna have to take them out towards the end anyways, and unplug this right here from this part and just put it on the LED lights. These bulbs are gonna come off, and wherever the bulbs are, the end of the new LED lights are gonna go in there, positive to negative. So the green one is positive, the black one is negative. You just match them up. On the new one, it's red is positive and then black is negative, of course. You'll have to take this off along with this one as well. This one got stuck up here, so I don't know if you can see that. It actually got stuck right here, because I guess this one was old, but no problem, because the new one comes with new ones of these. So the only thing you would really have to keep is this part to put it on the new one, not on this one. This was the old one. So yeah. Alright, so this right here is the old one. I already took all the hardware off, so we don't need this anymore. Oh well. Alright, so I placed the new one in the car, which looks like that so far. Looks a lot cleaner than the old one. It doesn't have that red spot. Everything's just blacked out, which I like. We're going to make it work. We're going to see if it works real quick before tying everything up. So I plugged in the little plug on the side for it to have power and run power and everything. You don't want to tighten everything up, because if it doesn't work, you got to place the old one back. But let's hope it works, alright? So the only socket I used to take this off, honestly, was just a 10mm deep socket. So remember, just 10mm deep socket. Unplug all the electronic stuff so that way you can actually take it off. You just gotta unplug the one on the left, because everything else just comes together. And then just twist them off, put them on the new one. Positive goes to green, the red goes to green, and then the black goes to black. That's it. I'll go ahead and put down in the description below the link for the Amazon, because I bought it in Amazon. That way, if y'all like it, y'all go ahead and purchase it. Alright? Don't forget to stomp on that like button and scratch on that subscribe button to become part of the Dragon Clan. Me and Dragoness will see you on the next one. You have a good one, alright?